If you are tired of being the secret or the option, stay with me until the final minute. We are moving from being a choice to being the only priority. The more you listen to this, the easier and more powerful it will become. Now close your eyes and breathe. You are about to undergo a massive internal shift. Right now, there is someone who has hesitated to show the world how they feel about you. But tonight, that changes. By the time this meditation is complete, you will have tuned your vibration to a frequency so high that they will feel an uncomfortable urge to prove your worth to everyone who is watching. Now inhale deeply for 4 counts. Hold. And exhale for 6 counts. Feel the tension leaving your shoulders. Imagine a soft violet light washing over you, cleansing away any doubt, any feeling of not enough. You are stepping out of the shadows. Now visualize yourself standing in a space of pure light. You are calm. You are composed. You are the center of your own universe. Feel the weight of your own power setting into your body. Now see a social setting, a party, a dinner, or a busy public space. See the person you desire standing there. In the past, they might have looked at their phone and stayed across the room. But now they feel the shift in the air tonight. They see you, and it's as if the rest of the room goes dark. They are not just walking towards you, they are claiming the space around you. Feel the warmth as they take your hand and put an arm around you in front of everyone. There is no hesitation. There is no shame. There is only the pride they feel in being yours. Feel that surge of triumph in your chest. You aren't asking for this. You are witnessing it. This is your new reality. Now repeat these words in the sanctuary of your mind and let them vibrate through your heart. I am the first and only priority. I am the first and only priority. They are proud to show the world who I am to them. They are proud to show the world who I am to them. My value is undeniable to everyone who sees me. My value is undeniable to everyone who sees me. I am no longer a secret. I am the prize. I am no longer a secret. I am the prize. Tonight they choose me openly and boldly. Tonight they choose me openly and boldly. The world witnesses our connection and it is beautiful. The world witnesses our connection and it is beautiful. I am worthy of public devotion. I am worthy of public devotion. Let that feeling of being chosen settle into your nervous system. It is done. It is happening tonight. As you return to your physical surroundings, remember that your energy is magnetic. Now gently open your eyes. You are now moving through the world as a person who is cherished and prioritized. So don't look for the signs, just expect the results. Type "I am the priority" in the comments right now to anchor this energy into the physical world and claim your throne. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you want to accelerate this manifestation and make them truly obsessed with claiming you, I have a powerful tool for you. Visit joybyjanell.com right now to get my free obsession spell. It is designed to work with this meditation to make them act on these feelings faster than ever before. Now go forth, be magnetic, and stay in the joy.